This is the planter I'm using, and it is approximately 19 inch in height. I got it from shop B&M. Then I'm using masking tape as a gear line on its four sides. Then I'm giving it a good clean to remove the grease and dirt. It is flexible mirror-like stickers which you can find easily on online shops like eBay or Amazon. It's really easy to use. Then here I am cutting that into small tile shapes and applying it to the surface. Here I am using a craft knife to cut off the excess and shape the edge. I am leaving a tiny bit of space in between each piece of tile to get an effect of real mirror. If you are planning to use the same mirror-like stickers like I'm using here, you should follow the instructions and to use it on a really clean, smooth surface. I'm telling you this because the planter I'm using is not new. It's a bit of old and it has got some lumps and weave scratches on it, and it clearly shows when you take out the protective layer. So you better be careful about that and keep in mind. That's how it looks like once you take out the protective layer, and this is how I want it in real. It's 100% what I planned. Then I'm using silver sequin fabric and multi-purpose glue. Just applying the glue at the center part. Carefully apply the fabric into the glue, then we can cut off the excess. To get a clean finished look, I'm using diamond mesh strips. I'm using hot glue to fix it together. I'm using a mirror to make its top part and spray painting its frame into silver color. Then I use those tiny small mirror stickers to get a nice and clean look. Here I show you how to make a matching flower vase. I'm using a cylindrical flower vase and the leftover mirror stickers. Cut it into small strips like this and just applying it into the vase. That actually matches really well with the mirrored pedestal. And that's it for today's video. If you like this kind of crafts, please subscribe to my channel and remember to smash that bell icon. See you next time. Bye bye.